In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word to PDF in WPS Office. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF that keeps your formatting intact, looks the same on any device, and is easy to email or upload. Start by opening the Word document you want to convert in WPS Office. Take a quick moment to scan your document for any last-minute edits. Check headings, images, and page breaks, because whatever you see here is what will appear in the PDF. Next, look for the main app controls. Depending on your device or version of WPS Office, this might be labeled Tools, Menu, or File. You'll usually find it at the top on desktop or as an icon in the corner on mobile. The goal is simply to open the place where saving and exporting options live. From that menu, choose Export to PDF or Save as PDF. Different labels lead to the same result, creating a PDF copy of your document. If you see both, Export to PDF typically gives you a focused path to conversion, while Save as PDF might appear alongside other file formats. When the Save window opens, choose the folder or location where you want the PDF to live. Pick a place you'll remember, Documents Desktop, or a dedicated project folder, so you can find it quickly later. If you're working on a phone or tablet, choose a local folder or a cloud location you regularly use. Before saving, rename the file if needed. A clear name helps with version control. Consider something descriptive, like the project title plus a date. Leave the .pdf extension as is. Now tap or click Export, Convert, or Save to start the conversion. If a small settings dialog appears, like page range or quality, leaving the defaults is usually fine for general use. For very large documents, give WPS Office a moment to process. The progress may be quick or take a bit longer depending on images and length. Wait for WPS Office to finish converting the file. Avoid closing the app or moving the original document while it's working. Once it's done, you'll see the new PDF in the location you selected. Finally, open the Save PDF to check your converted document. Scroll through a few pages, verify that fonts, spacing, and images look right, and test any hyperlinks if you included them. Zoom in to confirm that headings and logos are crisp. If something looks off, return to your Word file, make the adjustment, and repeat the export for a perfect result. That's it. Your Word document is now a polished PDF from WPS Office, ready to share or archive.